Have you noticed something? Now that the market has been a good trend upwards, you'll notice more newcomers coming in to ask how to start investing because they will be really interested into financial independence, building their wealth, and specifically invest in the US markets. But you will ask, why really invest in the US markets instead of local? Now, I could give a few reasons why people like investing in US markets, but some more popular reasons are diversification from home country, access to big global companies like Apple and Microsoft, and of course the growth potential. So if you're a beginner to investing and you want to have a community, then definitely join us at Honey Money SG with over 9,000 members to ask your basic beginner questions there, and the experts will help to guide you. Join us at Honey Money SG. But before you even start investing, you need to have a brokerage account. So in this video, let's explore some of the best trading platforms, in fact the cheapest ones, so that you can compare and see which one suits your taste better. But ultimately, there is a lot of focus on cost because cost is guaranteed. Expected returns are not guaranteed. So once you're able to control your costs, at least you can be sure that your returns will be the maximum optimization. And let's start off with the first trading platform of the day, Moomoo Singapore. If we look at the pricing of Moomoo, it says that there is zero commission. And when you see zero commission, your eyes will have light up. What? Investing for free? Got so good? Yes, Moomoo did indeed promise zero commission, but there is still a platform fee of 99 cents. So it's definitely not zero cost because there's a platform fee cost of 99 cents per order. For Moomoo, you can invest in the US markets or even the SG market as well if you want to buy Singapore stocks like banks and REITs. But many people do use Moomoo to buy the US stocks. While the sad thing is that Moomoo does not have access to the London Stock Exchange, so you could not buy Ireland domiciled ETFs like the VWRA or IWDA. Then for trading wise, you could either use the Moomoo mobile app, which is already a powerful platform, or if you want more advanced charting features, you could download their Moomoo desktop app where you can do your charting skills. And one very good feature of Moomoo is their Moomoo Cash Plus, which invests in money market funds, so you could deposit your cash inside and then your idle cash will start earning some returns. As of the day of recording, the Fullerton SGD Cash Fund is hovering around 3.7% per annum, whereas for the USD Money Market Fund, which is the CSOP, it's hovering around 5% per annum. So it's not bad returns, you know. Like if you want to just deposit money inside first and then wait for a good strike price, don't worry that your cash is sitting there doing nothing because it is still earning you returns as well. And if you need a better reason to sign up for your Moomoo account today, then check this out. If you are affected by the TD Ameritrade closure in Singapore, then this may be the right time for you to get a Moomoo SG Universal account. Moomoo SG offers real-time quotes for both stocks and options for free without any additional subscription fee, which may charge you a lot from other brokerages. How to transfer positions from TD Ameritrade Singapore to Moomoo SG? Step 1. Click Accounts, go to Transfer and select Transfer Stock In and select US Market. Step 2. Select TD Ameritrade, enter your account number with TD Ameritrade and upload your statement with TD Ameritrade. Step 3. Choose full or partial transfer. Select full transfer for all your assets from TD Ameritrade SG. Confirm your account number and statement with TD Ameritrade. Lastly, click Submit and wait for review and in-app notification. Do know that it usually takes 5 to 7 business days to process and transfer. Terms and conditions and other fees apply. Good news is Moomoo will subsidize any transfer in fees up to 200 Singapore dollars and get one free Apple share when your transfer assets are valued more than 5,000 Singapore dollars and maintain 30 days average daily assets of more than 5,000 Singapore dollars. So use my referral link down below or scan this QR code right here to get your Moomoo SG Universal account today. The next contender is Webull, and for Webull, most of you will know that it is offering 0.025% of the total trade amount with a minimum of 50 US cents commission. For the access to markets, I think Webull only has access to US markets. It does not offer you the access to trade in London Stock Exchange or Singapore Stock Exchange even. But I guess for the cost that Webull is charging you, it's already very affordable. Webull also does have the mobile app as well as the desktop app. If you want to do advanced charting tools, I think Webull is one of the more useful platforms to do such things. For the money market funds feature, it is known as Moneybull by Webull, and it's fundamentally investing in the Fullerton SGD Cash Fund as well as the Fullerton USD Cash Fund. And Webull does have a regular savings plan feature where it will just automatically invest for you at a fixed amount at a fixed period, and it will just transfer directly from your bank account. So there's no need to do like multiple transfer instructions via various platforms because Webull just does it all on one platform, and I've already tried it out in the previous video. Next contender, let's look at Tiger Brokers Singapore. For new signups, you will enjoy the first 180 days free, which is zero commission trades. And after that, they will charge you a 99 cents minimum commission plus a $1 platform fee. So you're looking at a minimum trading fee of around $2 per trade. Tiger Brokers does offer access to both US and SG stock markets, but not London Stock Exchange. They also have a pretty good mobile app as well as a desktop app if you want to do advanced charting tools via your computer. Then for the money market funds feature, it is known as Tiger Vault. And the good thing about Tiger Vault is that you have various options where you can choose for the Singapore dollar cash funds other than just the Fullerton SGD cash fund. So it's good for people who want more choices. And even for the USD money market fund, you can choose from the selection as well. Next, we look at SafeTrade, which is originated from Singapore. By the way, SafeTrade is now rebranded to brokerage, so it's not called SafeTrade anymore. For new customers, you'll get first 3 months of unlimited free trades. And then after the first 3 months promotion, you'll get 2 free trades every month. Do note that the free trades only apply to US stocks and ETFs, so it's not applicable to Singapore stocks. And what if you use up your 2 free trades for the month? Then SafeTrade will charge you $1.49, which is the market rate if we compare to other online discount brokerages. SafeTrade offers access to both US and Singapore stock markets and no London Stock Exchange access as well. But the bad thing about SafeTrade is that the platform is only mobile friendly. There is no website, there is no desktop, and there is no money market fund feature if you just want to deposit some idle cash to earn some fair returns. Now, one thing you notice about all these online discount brokerages is that they charge very low commission, like around $2. Some of them are even zero commission. But you must realize that they must earn the money from somewhere, and they usually earn from the spread, the foreign currency exchange spreads, which is the difference between the Google spot rate versus what they are charging you at. So we are looking at a range of 0.3% to 0.5% FX spread. And they will usually tell you no conversion fees, but at least they have to earn from the spread, right? Otherwise, how do they survive? So what if you want to have the least spread, the lowest cost? Then I think you can start to look at interactive brokers. Now at the tiered pricing level, interactive brokers, or IBKR in short, is charging you 35 US cents plus GST for IBSG registered accounts. And for IB, it really has the best access. You can trade in US markets, you can trade in Singapore markets, and even other global markets like London Stock Exchange. And I do acknowledge that interactive brokers do have a slight learning curve, so it takes some time to get used to the platform both on the mobile as well as the website. But most of the seasoned investors mostly use interactive brokers because of how cost efficient it is and also the access to global markets. It has a strong reputation since the year of 1977, so it has went through multiple financial crises, so there's little doubt on whether it will survive the next one. And the best thing about IB is that it probably offers the tighter spread of less than 0.1%, very close to the spot rate itself. So if you want to save on cost, I think IB is the way to go long term. And the difference between discounted online brokerages versus IB is that while discount online brokerages charges zero commission based on the promotional rate, their foreign exchange spread itself may even be more than the commission that IB is charging. But does it mean that you should not sign up for any discounted online brokerages? My answer is no, because they all do offer very attractive sign-up offers to get you on their platform itself. So I would say go and apply for an account with each of them, get the welcome rewards, and then after that, you can decide whether you want to stick with them or choose another broker. Just like you can sign up for an account with my sponsor Moomoo, because I think it's one of the best welcome rewards that a newcomer could get. And if you want to learn of the best strategies to do dollar cost averaging, then I can refer you to my previous video right here.